Guys, what's going on? Check this out. This is one heck of a gorgeous machine. I want to really introduce this and dedicate this video to my son, who's infatuated with Transformers, okay? This right here is one of a kind, and I'll tell you why. You could probably already see why. It's Hugger Orange. Pretty sure it's called Hugger Orange. And it's got the special RSSS ground effects package. It's got the RSSS wheels, the Brembo brakes, the stripes down the hood, the stripes down the fenders. It's got, I mean, this car is loaded and you're not gonna believe how many miles are on it. True SS. That's right, it's a true SS. Background effects right there. I'm gonna go on and on about this car. The details are gonna be in the description, okay? It's for sale. The guy, whoever had it, took awesome care of it. Original floor mats, aftermarket floor mats, Chevy ones to protect the floor mats. The seats are flawless. The stitching is still there. Miles, you ready? I'm gonna have to open the door and close the door again. Hold on. Get ready for the miles. Guess in the comments right now. It's 1 minute or whatever, going on 1 minute. Ready? Guess. Here it is. Oh my God, 4,306 maintained dealership miles. This car is absolutely stellar. I mean, it's just, there's a piece of water, some water right there. What's water doing dripping off? I just got it through just got it back from detail right now. There we go. Okay. 6-speed manual transmission. All the goodies. I mean, the stickers are still on the cars, okay? The stickers are still on all the books, the keys, everything's in great shape. It smells honestly brand new in this car. Sunroof. It's just, let's check out the power plant. We're gonna keep this video short and quick. There's the VIN number. The underside of the car is absolutely clean. You can't get down because it's too low. There's the Brembos. The tires are almost brand new on all 4 corners. And this car is just unique and beautiful. The Camaros are getting harder and harder to come by. Projector headlamps. The ground effects are in great shape. The power plant's in the hood. It's got a Chevy Performance badge right there, the Chevy Performance division. Beautiful color matched Hugger Orange valve covers. Manifold cover. The engine looks still brand new under there. Look at it. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? I mean, the Chevy bow tie heat shield under the hood. I can go on and on about the car. I guess you guys already get the point. It's a beautiful car. It is for sale, all right? If you're inquiring about it, you want to check this out, call 540-898-3025. We can connect you with somebody who can help you out with financing. You can come in and check it out in person, call ahead to make sure it's still for sale. The seats are power seats. Same with the passenger side. Look, I didn't take the passenger side off. Still the original sticker from the manufacturer, dealer protective. I mean, it's just stellar of a car. SS embroidered into the headrest on both sides. The back seat's in great shape. The trunk is absolutely spotless besides my mat, my rag that's there. It's got this cool key fob right here. It's a 6.2 liter 2SS Camaro, 6-speed. Beautiful, beautiful. Check this out, ready? Doesn't have remote start because it's a manual transmission, guys. Boom. The little runaway if you're getting kidnapped right there. Look at this, nothing's been in this trunk. I can promise you that. Look, I mean, it's in the net's still here. Like I got my crap right there, but tire shines and all the goodies. But look at this. I mean, look, the net is still beautiful and very stout, I should say. This is the original seat cover that was on it. It was in the trunk. I asked the dealer with that. I said, well, why is this in the trunk? I was like, curious. Seat cover that was originally from the manufacturer. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful car. It's got maybe one imperfection on the whole entire car. And I think it's right here. So there's my pinky fingernail. It's the size of a pen tip. That's it. So check it out. You guys have any questions? Let me know on this, okay? I want to see how much action this video gets and who it gets to. Share it on the Camaro forums on Facebook. That'd be super helpful, you guys. I know you military guys. A buddy of mine in Quantico was asking me about it. Big shout out to our military guys. Proud supporter of the military and armed forces and law enforcement. So shout out to my buddy Nick. Rest in peace always, my man. Love you. And obviously my son. Ford, this is the best Chevy Camaro in the world, buddy. Cool Transformer Camaro. Nothing better than the love for your son or daughter. And this one made his day. Like every day I came home with this car, kept it in the garage, he was ecstatic. So you guys have any questions about this, call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. Look at the way the metallic pearl sparkles in the sun, especially the wheels too. Everything's beautiful. Fresh inspection, everything's good. 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. 2010 Camaro with 4,000 miles on it. Over and out.